look good and look good. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Queemie Jones and
It's your girl Hope.
And this is a hood cook good and look good Chronicles. Yes, I said hood because we getting real ethnic today. We're going to Harvard to get some content in, and I know you can't hear me, my friends, but stay tuned because we got more coming through. You heard, man. I can't with you. I can't with you. You see, girl, I'm recording.
We're about to go to Harvard Square. We're on the train about to go to Harvard Square to interview some people. So stay tuned because it's about to be lit.
Compartmentalize. I have to compartmentalize a lot because it's like certain things Patrick does the same. Like that's when it gets confusing. Like Patrick is doing the same thing as you're like.
As you can see, honey, we done made it to Harvard.
Harvard Square, here we come.
Y'all, let's get into it.
Let's get into it.
Mad excited. Let's do some Bostonian shiitake, okay? Some real Bostonian teams. Let's ask some questions, girl. You ready?
Let's do it. I'm ready.
All right. Alright, y'all, so we just got done doing major content in Harvard, okay? We are at Mike's Peach Streets right now, home of the Queemie. And I'm trying to untie this knot so I can retie up this box so it can transport right to the home state, okay? But I don't know, it might just be over my head. Oh no, it's because I knit, I'm equipped, okay? I know how to de-knot some thread, some yarn, doesn't matter. The reason why I'm talking right now is because I'm trying to kill time before I use the restroom, and I don't know if we'll be vlogging on the train, so I'm gonna just wrap everything up. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube page if you have not already. We have a bajillion times of content coming through this Sunday. Okay, if you are interested in cooking good and looking good, I'm your girl. But yeah, everything is gravy. We have university content coming through, so go ahead and take your behind the class because it's over. You feel me? Go ahead and follow Emotional Gangster on IG and all the social medias that I'm plugging
Get
right
the
here.
250.
The 250. There she goes. She was right there. 250, because that is not 150. It's not the 125. It's 250.
Not 1,000, 250.
Emotional Lace, the 250. We out here. Thank you so much for your help. It was bussin'. It was bussin'. I'm not tripping, girl. I've been working with the punches so far. Everything's everything. I'm done recording, y'all. My mouth hurt. It hurt. Bye.